Hello. So I'm going straight in. I'm going with almond. Yes, I'm gonna do another video on how I did this almond super quickly because the sped up version is not far off of the real time version, and I think they look pretty good because almond can be hella wonky. So I went in with Misu Nude 02 Shock. Okay, judge me. And my application was smooth. Your girl is getting better. Look at that. I could have left them like this, but no, I'm doing Easter vibes. So I did a French tip first, and then I did some bunny ears from the French tip. So not all of the nails are the same, and I think my favorite nail is the middle nail, and you'll see why in a second. I just feel like the open bunny ears, like the hollowed out one, just looks more bunny-like, if that makes sense. But in order to, keep a nice pattern, I had to kind of do mismatch of open, close, open, close. So because I am experimenting, I went back over that and I decided to put some glitter on my closed bunny ears, dusted that off, whacked some top coat on top, and you're gonna see the final product now. I believe this is very cute. I believe you should like this video and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at the.nailplate because my followers right now are beyond measly. And yeah, support your girl because I'm coming for everybody, all of y'all.